Why not go out camping? Because, you know, why not do it? Follow me, follow me. I got an axe just in case I need to, you know, to, knock down some bears, I guess. Which place? Yeah, I do. What do you expect? We're on the last adventure. Alright, which? Do you want to go to that fire, or this fire? Alright, let's go. What's this? Whoa. Okay, so, why are you looking at me? Wow! Oh, hello! Ah! Dude, what is that? Pomni, what is that? I don't know either. Wait, what? What is that creature? Woo! Maybe this will do something. Woo! Oh, come on! Couch, no. Bro, I have no idea how this is gonna work! Pomni, come on! You necessarily can't get hurt either. Put me into this tent. Oh, come on. Oh, what's this? Light bricks. Here, take these. Wow! I knew that was coming. I think he's angry. Woohoo! Adventure, or is this canonically in here? You're legit holding a light. You're literally holding a light. Good. Let's see if it distracts him. Come on, no. Let me pull out the fire. Okay, there we go. What is that? Hearts? That's gotta be. Were they floating? How? Oh! It's about time that I use this axe. Take the axe to the face. Oh, I don't think that affected him that well. Bottle. Let's see if the bottle does it. Follow me, Pomni. You know, Pomni, I had enough of this camping. I think he lives in the woods. Let's go back to the circus. Let's go back to the circus then. Run. Pomni, you keeping up? Whoa! Dude, where is the circus? Come on, I don't know everything as you do, Pomni. I've been here for years. You've been here for like a couple of months, as far as I'm checking out. Huh? Alright, this way. There's nothing. Wow, Pomni! Oh my. You okay, Pomni? Woo! I can't run much longer. Okay, well, hopefully he doesn't see us here. Oh! Okay. I don't think we can run anymore. Uh-oh. Why does he have his mouth? Why does he have a head? Why does he have his head in a... hello? Ah! Why are you changing different colors? Okay. Whoa! What's he doing? Let's run. I don't know if I can run much longer as I thought I would. Let's see. I don't know if you can see us. Oh, why is it red? Wow! How am I surviving this? I don't know. Be careful of the mushrooms. Oh no. Rocks. Ow. Whoa! Ow. Okay. I just wanted to make you paranoid. Okay. Hopefully we can lose him here. Hello? Okay. Maybe you just want to roar at us? That was close! Pomni, follow me.
Hell.
We gotta run.
He's friendly. He's just
Whoa.
mad that we got in his game.
Whoa! Whoa! That was close. Whoa. Pomni, should we run or should we go back to the circus?
I think we should go back to the circus.
Yeah, let's go. kidding me? Fine.
Hopefully he doesn't do it.
Did you have to have him as a pet? Are you kidding me, Pomni?
I didn't tame him, okay? He just follows us.
You know, Pomni, do you think this is a good idea bringing him here?
Yeah. You'll have a room. But just hopefully nothing happens to him. Like what happened last time.
Like Gummy Goo's gone, and you know. Alright, let's go up here to. What? Everything is not broken yet. Let's just go up top. Dude, why does he have a different kind of beams? I don't get it. Whoa. Alright.
We watch some TV up here. Let's check on him. See what he's doing.
Alright. Pomni?
Yeah?
How did you even get him anyway? He's supposed to kill us.
Well, I feel like something was wrong.
Let's just hope nothing does happen.
He's probably not, because if he breaks anything, it just regenerates.